In this video, I'm going to be swiping in one of the sexiest cities in the world, Amsterdam. What's going on, guys? It's Wingman Plus. Welcome back to another video. Before it starts, make sure you pound that like button and hit subscribe. Every time I drop one of these videos, I ask you guys to comment which city you want to see me swipe in, and so many of you have been requesting Amsterdam, so here it is. I hope you enjoy. So I've been looking at my analytics, and it actually turns out I have a lot of people who watch my videos from the Netherlands. So shout out to all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support on the videos. Now, I've heard a lot of good things about Amsterdam, so we're going to have to get to the bottom of it in this video. And already off to a pretty strong start. We got a match. Oh my God. What are we doing here? Nice pants. Hey. I like your pants. There we go. She had really nice pants, so I'm going to let her know that. Okay, whoa. There's a lot going on here. But we're still going to swipe left. Okay, Kim. Yep. Yeah, she'll get it for sure. Okay, whoa. Vivian just out here with a gigantic doobie. I don't even know if I can put that on YouTube, but let's go over to the top picks, shall we? Always like to start off the video with the top picks. And wow, Larissa absolutely killing it with her mimosa. She'll get the right swipe. Now, Demi's got an interesting animal print thing going on here. There's a lot going on. Cute dog. Nice dress. Okay. She's checking a lot of the boxes here. She's going to get a right swipe as well. Senna. Is she like a DJ or something? That's cool. Oh, yeah. Wow. Look at that. You go, girl. Big right swipe. Okay. This girl looks like she deleted Tinder because her name and age is all gone, but still a top pick. So we're going to swipe right either way. We're going to play our odds with that one. Oh, Peggy. Oh yeah, Peggy like just looks like kind of freaky. You know what I mean? Want to see all my Star Wars stuff? Yeah, I do. I am your father, you know? Just call me daddy though. All right, Lily. Oh, nice dog. One thing I am noticing about the girls here in Amsterdam, they really love their pets. Seeing a lot of dogs, a lot of cats. So that's always a good sign. How do you even say that name? Sandergen? Oh, wow. Okay. Bit of a filter, but damn. This girl says she's not from here. I'm going to guess LA. You know what I mean? Okay. Marika. Yeah. Got a bit of a sunburn in that photo, eh? Maybe break out the aloe. Stare. Oh, she's double fisting the Grey Goose bottles. What are you, Julian Pandemic? Big right swipe. Oh, damn. Okay. Air hockey. Oh, shit. She likes hockey. I think we'll get along. Yep, Nikita. There's a lot of blonde hair, blue eyes going on here. Okay, why is her chest like soaking wet? Is that a shadow or is that just like a ton of liquid on her chest? Kind of weird. Maybe a sign of things to come, if you know what I mean. All right, so the top picks are pretty fire. Let's give the general Tinder a big swipe here now. And wow, Sophie looking phenomenal with that boat. Enjoying some veggie paella. She'll get a big right swipe. Oh, hey, Christina. Pretty low effort profile, but still rock it. You know what? So far, we're like 50-50 right swipes to left swipes. But the right swipes are like big right swipes here. You know what I mean? This girl's like tatted up, eh? Look at that. Okay, what are we doing? Oh, wow. This girl looks extreme. Just surfing and shit. Susanna. Hello. I feel like everyone in Amsterdam just wants to ski and surf and smoke weed. If I didn't know any better, I think I was swiping in Alberta. Christy, how are you? Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, sipping the Starbucks. Yeah, she's hot. Wow. Emily. Daisy. Welcome to the stage. Natalie. That's my strip club DJ voice. It's kind of always a weird dream job I had, was to be a strip club DJ and just talk in this voice all night long. Welcome to the stage, Paula. If I was hosting a strip club party, would you guys show up or what? Let me know down in the comments below. Oh, Roxanne. Oh, boys, we got a match. Okay, got a match. I don't know what face she's making in that photo. You look kind of lost. She looks like a tourist in all those photos, so I'm gonna let her know. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, things are really starting to dry up now. What are we doing? Like Tinder, come on, what are we doing, guys? You know, everyone who commented swipe in Amsterdam, I was pretty excited. I was like, bet I'm gonna swipe up in Amsterdam. And like, it started pretty strong, but man, like, we're hitting a real rough patch here, boys. Not gonna lie. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, boys, okay, we gotta keep her. Wow, this girl's an absolute smoke show. Love the beauty mark. Some call it a mole, I call it a beauty mark. Do you want a Canadian boyfriend? The classic international pickup line for Tinder Passport. Channel. Oh, Chanel. That's how you say that. Oh, wow. Okay, yep. That's a big right swipe right there. We're getting back into the swing of things here, boys. Not gonna lie, for a minute there, I was a little worried. Watch time and engagement on that part of the video is gonna plummet, that's for sure. But we're back. Okay. Georgina. Yep. Wow, that's a lot of food. Okay, we've got a match with Georgina here. I'd def buy you a taco. By the way, guys, these pickup lines are okay, but if you want like 25 pickup lines delivered to your email, go look at the description of this video. Sign up for my email list and I will send you 25 Tinder pickup lines that actually work. And this is one of them. I can't tell if you're innocent or an absolute baddie. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay. Mariana, off to a strong start there with your profile. I like just speed swiping like this. I feel like it's the most efficient way to use Tinder. Don't read the bio. Don't even really look at the pics. Just get the overall vibe. And if you like it, swipe right. It's all about that first impression. By the way, this is pretty much how girls are swiping on your profile too, guys. They're swiping super quick. They really look at your first photo, and if they don't like it, they're just going to swipe left right off the bat. But if they do like it, they're going to quickly skim through the rest of your photos to get the vibe check. And if you pass it, they will swipe right. So if you need more Tinder profile tips, I'll put a link to a video right up here, and you guys can check out a video of how to build the perfect Tinder profile. So there you have it, guys. Swiping in Amsterdam was pretty fun. Was it the hottest city that I've swiped in throughout this series? Probably not. But there was some pretty serious talent there. So thank you so much for the recommendation, guys. If there's a city that you think would be even hotter for me to swipe on in the next video, drop it down in the comments below. If you haven't yet, make sure you pound that like button, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.